Hey guys, so as you saw, I just unboxed the Hollyland Lark M1. I was trying to test the microphone over there, but it was not working for my phone for some reason, and I was having some paint time with my girlfriend, so I didn't want to ruin the moment, so I left it. I didn't go with the fix. I just decided that I should come home and fix it instead. So I found the problem. I didn't read the manual properly. The thing was over here. I'll probably put a B-roll. It says connect this gray side to the phone, and I was connecting the dark black side to the phone, and it was not working for me. So I did it, and I think it works. I'll come back and we'll test the microphone. Hopefully it sounds okay. All right, so now it says it's recording to USB. It was not saying that before. I don't know why is that. But I hope it is working, and I don't know how it sounds. And this is my first time using this microphone. I've always been using this device that I saw on TikTok. It's not focusing because I'm using the front camera of my phone. I'm using this on my S23 Plus, by the way. This is okay for small things, but it has a really bad static noise in the background for some reason, and I couldn't stand it, so I bought this. And I hope it sounds good. This is raw, unedited, and I have not used any kinds of settings right now. I saw that there's a noise cancellation option here. I think I should try it, right? Uh, is this the one? So it's green. I hope it is noise canceling. I'm not sure. And if it sounds good, I will talk more on my channel for my 2-3 viewers. Thank you. It's probably me using different accounts. But I hope it sounds good. If it does, let me go back. If it does, I will keep using this microphone and I will talk more. And I'm planning to do a desk setup tour. My texts that I use, and yeah, hope it sounds good. Bye bye. Tech1G out. Boom. Okay, so I forgot to test this microphone outside. Uh, I hope it is sounding good. It's pretty windy right now. So I don't have any earmuff or anything. This dead cat. Let me put the microphone in noise cancellation mode. How does it sound? Is it noise? Yes. Green means noise cancellation. That's what I found. And I hope it sounds good. I don't know. Okay, I'll turn it off. It's pretty windy. How does it sound? How does it sound? Check, check, check. Okay, let's try it with the dead cat. Okay, it fits perfectly. Okay, how does it sound? So I'm gonna test how far I can go. It says 650 something meter or feet, but let's try it. You stay here, okay, babe? I'll go all the way there. Check, mic check. How does this sound? Hope it sounds good. Check, check, check. Mic check. Hope I don't fall. And I see you again. Oh. How does it sound? How does this sound? Check, check, check. Is it cutting off? I don't know if it's cutting off or not. Pretty far, pretty far, pretty far. My girlfriend's not using her tripod. Hope it sounds good. Okay, okay. Check, check, check. I can't go too far. I don't know. Can I go far? She says her hand is hurting. Okay. If it's working this far, then it should be good. Like, it's good. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna walk. Man, I hope this microphone is really good. Because I've been cheaping out, man. Cheaping out on the microphones. Check, mic check. Okay, I hope it works. Check. Is your hand hurting?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Take 1G out.